is Mersky and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to create this look. This is actually a Gothic inspired look. So as you can see sa mga previous makeup tutorials ko, makeup looks na ginagawa ko, usually soft lang siya, tapos colorful. So I came up with an idea to, this is actually not a unique makeup look because a lot of people are also doing this kind of makeup, but I also just wanted to challenge myself in terms of my artistry. Artistry talaga, para naman ang galing-galing ko. Well, yeah, I just wanted to challenge myself kung saan ko po kayang dalhin yung makeup looks na mga, kung saan ko kayang dalhin yung love ko for makeup and love ko for coloring myself or coloring my face. Alright, so if you would want to know how I came up with this look, then let's proceed with the video. Okay, so as you can see, tapos na ako sa aking foundation routine and nagkilay na rin ako. Hindi ko na lang binunggan yung kilay kasi magkaaway sila ngayon, best. Mga bayot, magkaaway yung mga kilay ko, so wag na natin silang i-push na pagbatiin. And so, of course, we will start with the eye primer. At sana ma-achieve ko, no? Itong pinipilit kong look. So, sa look na to, syempre, color black ang ating main color. At ito yung gagamitin kong palette. Malaki na peso. Ayan o. Ayan, malaki na yung mukha ko. Ibig sabihin, malaki siya kasi malaki yung mukha ko. Malaki siya, malaki. So, first, kukulayan ko muna siya ng parang reddish. O, diba parang sinuntok ako. Parang hindi sila magkakulay. This is so hard, okay? Ang hirap. Ang hirap. So, pasensya na kung hindi ako nagsasalita kasi kinakarir ko po siya eh. Tadaan! So, alright, this is the final look. I'm actually very happy with the outcome kasi hindi siya yung ini-expect kong lumabas, pero it actually came out really pretty well. Alam mo yung hindi mo usual na ginagawa mong makeup tapos ito yung kinalabasan, so syempre magiging happy ka. But I think the color of my hair should not be like this. Siguro mas maganda siya tingnan kapag maitim yung kulay ng buhok ko. But yeah, so well, I hope you like this look and pinaghirapan ko talaga yan. If you can just see the video, parang wala akong, hindi ako nagsalita all throughout the course of the video because talagang binilan ko siyang mabuti. And, well, as you can see, may mga colors naman dyan na iba aside from black. So, yeah, I think that's it. So, I hope you like this video. If you like it, then click like, comment down below kung ano gusto nyo i-comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And, if you would want to share the love, then share the video. Thanks for watching. Ciao!
understand, no, I'm too good for you. I want to